You know, we do believe that we can get better. I said early in the year that I thought our team would get better and better as the season went along. I said that last year, and it did, but it was a pretty drastic change in the middle of the season. This year it hasn't been any drastic change. It's just that we have gotten better, and, you know, we had a lot of things that were unsettled early, and I think that had more of an effect than I thought it did at that time. But, yeah, I think what you see is what you get. But in my mind, we're just halfway through the season. So we can get a heck of a lot better, and we can flip a lot of things to the positive side. You know, I guess it was just a couple of years ago we lose our first conference road game and win 7 road games in a row. So I don't think, and that was at a little earlier than halfway through. But so I think there's something to that, but I'm also one of those guys that I think that we can still get a lot better. We really are still playing several people, and you know, Kennedy started the other night, but down the stretch, in the whole second half, I went with Bryce. Kennedy didn't play very many minutes, but I like the fact that it does give us a little more scoring punch. Kennedy has been our best true inside low post scorer. Leslie has an ability to shoot the ball, and so it gives us another shooter on the perimeter. Kennedy's working better defensively, working harder. Bryce is working harder defensively, so hopefully they'll get it up there. I've told everybody you shouldn't have a coach that won't play you because you don't play defense. That's a sorry state to have, so you don't want to be in that category. Sense of urgency is not just diving on the floor. It's not it's everything. It's being into it mentally. It's nothing else is important. I'm always talking about losing yourself in the game. That 2 hours, there's nothing in the world that's as important as what's going on the court. And so if you lose yourself in the game, then also if it means more to you, if you care more, you're not going to think, well, should I dive on the floor? You know, that wood's awfully hard. You know, that kind of thing. Like PJ, I see that article about PJ where they impress those people who dove on the floor. And the guy said, you got to be concerned about your money. I don't give a blankety blank about it. That ball's got North Carolina written all over it, and you're supposed to dive on it. But it's a sense of urgency to sprint back on defense. It's a sense of urgency to talk, and to talk it with a greater sense of urgency as, get back, get back, get back. You know, as opposed, hey, you know, if you want to, you may want to get back. You know, that doesn't really help you. So I think it is just an excitement, but it's not just playing hard, because playing hard would be just sprinting and diving, but a sense of urgency includes the intellectual part of it too, I think. In this league, we have some great rivalries, some of the greatest, if not the greatest rivalries in all of sports, college sports. And I think with Syracuse and Pitt and Notre Dame over time, and maybe not very much time, those rivalries are going to get up there with the rest of them too. I'm excited about the new league, 14, 15 teams, and our league is just off the charts, and I think each and every year it's going to get better and better. I think we're going to push each other to get even better and better.